Imagine making money while you sleep, waking up in the morning and realizing your bank balance grew overnight. Sounds like a dream, right? But the truth is, passive income is real. And today I'll share with you proven passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. No hype, no scams, just strategies that smart people around the world are using to build financial freedom. First, let's clear the basics. Passive income is money that keeps flowing in, even when you're not actively working. But here's the catch. Passive income doesn't mean zero work. It usually needs upfront effort, skills, or investment. Think of it like planting a tree. You water it in the beginning, and later it gives you shade and fruits for years. One of the oldest and most reliable passive income streams is dividend investing. By owning stocks of stable companies, you get paid a part of their profit called dividends. Imagine holding Coca-Cola or Apple and getting paid every quarter. The key is to invest in strong dividend-paying companies or ETFs. It won't make you rich overnight, but over time, dividends can become a steady cash flow. Second, real estate rentals. Owning a property and renting it out can create consistent monthly income. And with platforms like Airbnb, you don't even need to buy big properties. You can start with short-term rentals. Yes, it requires capital, but real estate is still one of the most powerful wealth-building tools in history. Third, digital products. This is the era of the internet. Ebooks, online courses, templates, or even stock photos. Once created, they can be sold thousands of times without extra effort. Platforms like Gumroad, Udemy, or even Amazon Kindle make it possible for anyone to turn their knowledge into passive income. Fourth, affiliate marketing. If you have a YouTube channel, a blog, or even just social media, you can recommend products and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. The best part? You don't need to create the product, handle shipping, or deal with customer service. You simply connect buyers to products they already want. Fifth, index funds and ETFs. This is my personal favorite because it's stress-free. You simply invest in funds that track the stock market, like the S&P 500, and over time, your money grows automatically. It's like owning a slice of the global economy without needing to pick individual winners and losers. Sixth, content creation. YouTube, podcasts, and blogs may take months or even years to grow, but once they do, they can generate serious passive income through ads, sponsorships, and memberships. Think about it. Even while you're asleep, your videos can be making money as people around the world watch them. So let's recap. Dividend stocks, real estate rentals, digital products, affiliate marketing, index funds, and content creation all are real passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. The secret is consistency. You don't need to do all of them. Just pick one or two that match your skills and start today. Because here's the truth. The best time to build passive income was yesterday. The second best time is right now. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Finance Knowledge for more wealth-building tips, and tell me in the comments which passive income idea are you going to try first.